Hello Pilates and yoga lovers, welcome back to my channel, Annie Pilates Physical Therapist. This is day 3 of our 30-day Pilates Discover Self-Healing. If this is your first time, my recommendation is to go to day 1 as we learn together, especially those who are beginners who are just embarking into fitness and Pilates. I'll slowly increase the time tolerance and the challenges so that we can reach 30 days with stronger back, posture, and core muscles. So get your mat ready and join me and Mr. Abel. Okay friends, let's start lying on your back. Inhale through your nose and slowly go down one vertebrae at a time. So we've been learning the tabletop and neutral spine. So let's warm up again with those simple beginners. Inhale, belly button in, tabletop 90 degrees, and slowly go down and blow. We have to slowly warm up our hips first to prevent back pain. Inhale, toes pointing away from you. Exhale down. Belly button in, squeeze as hard as you can. Inhale, tabletop. Exhale down. Right leg, inhale. Belly button in and down blow. 2 more to go. Inhale. Exhale. Right side, inhale. Exhale. Last one on your left. Inhale. Exhale. Right and down. Now I'm gonna overhead with your hands. This is the gentle progression. Tabletop again with your hands pointing to the ceiling. Inhale, exhale. Right side, inhale, belly button in, exhale down. Left side, inhale, exhale. Right side, inhale, exhale. 2 more to go. Left leg and left hand. Inhale, hand pointing to the ceiling, knee bending to tabletop. Right side, inhale, exhale. Last one, left side, inhale, exhale. Last one on your right, inhale, exhale. Now we're going to do tabletop again, and this time we're going to lower to the side without twisting your spine, keeping your pelvis stable, and then lower as far as you can to the side while I'm lowering my hand to the side. Inhale, exhale up, and then blow overhead. Right side, inhale, exhale to the side, inhale back to the center, exhale down. 1 breath, 1 motion. Left side, inhale, exhale. Belly button in, engage your core. Inhale back to the center, exhale up. Right side, inhale, exhale. Belly button in, inhale, exhale. 2 more to go. Inhale, tabletop, exhale to the side. Inhale back to the center and blow up. Right side, inhale, exhale. Inhale back to the center and blow. Last set. Left side, inhale, exhale to the side. Inhale up, exhale up. Inhale, tabletop to the side, exhale. 1 breath, 1 motion. Inhale and then down blow. Now we're going to progress today with double, which means bending both knees. Exhale and slowly go down and blow. If this is still hurting you, continue with single tabletop. Inhale, tabletop, double. Exhale down. Slow and easy. Keeping your back in neutral. You can place 1 hand on your stomach, 1 at the back to feel if it's moving to posterior pelvic tilt where you're pressing your back down. Try your best to keep it with a small arch. Neutral spine. Inhale, exhale. 2 more to go. Inhale, double, exhale. Last one, inhale. And then you're going to hold it here, and then you're going to do butterfly. Separate your knees apart. Inhale, exhale, back to the center. Place your hands on your hips so you can feel your hips movement. Inhale, exhale. Belly button in, inhale, exhale. Engage your core muscles. Open and close. Take a deep breath. Open, close. Squeeze your knees together in the middle when you return. Inhale, open, exhale. 2 more to go. Inhale, open, exhale, back. Last one, inhale, exhale. And then slowly we're going to tap with your left foot down. Inhale, exhale, back to double tabletop. Right leg this time. Inhale, exhale. Feel your quads working hard. Inhale, exhale. Belly button in and blow. Inhale, left, exhale, up. Right side, inhale, exhale. 2 more to go. Inhale, exhale. Right side, you feel a little bit tired now on your legs. Last one on your left. Inhale. Last on your right. Exhale. And now slowly lower both legs down. Double tabletop. Tap. Inhale. Keeping your back in neutral. Exhale up. Engage your core. Belly button in. Inhale down. Exhale up. Inhale down. Exhale up. Belly button in. Feel your core engage. Inhale. Exhale. 2 more to go. Inhale. Exhale. Last one. Inhale. Exhale. And down. Straighten your legs and relax. Okay, now friends, we're going to lift your left leg up to stretch your hamstrings. If this is too difficult, always remember you can bend your knee. But if you want to challenge yourself, keep it straight. And if you want to challenge yourself, keep it there. But if this is too difficult, bend your knee to support your spine. But for those who are beginners, always remember, if it's hurting, stop. And today we're going to lower it down, if you like, at the challenge, and up and down pump to stretch your hamstrings. Inhale, exhale, belly button in and blow. 5, 4, 3, 2, 1, and then toes pointing you, and then small circle. Let go of your hands like the size of a small dish. Inhale, exhale. You can do clockwise first. Belly button in and blow. 5, 4, 3, 2, 1, and then reverse. Take a deep breath. 9, 8, 7, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1, and now we're going to do medium-sized circle, which means a little bit bigger. You can bend your knee this time. Now you're still in day 3, so we're slowly building it up. So this time it's a bigger dish. Inhale, exhale. Clockwise first if you like. 7, 6, 5. Try not to rock your hips. 4, with your breathing. 3, 2, 1, and then reverse. 10, 9, 8. Keep your knees straight if you can. 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1, and now we'll do bigger circle. We're going to do clockwise first, so down first. Inhale, exhale out. Belly button in and blow. 2. You might feel fatigue now on your quads. That's fine. And stretch on your hamstrings. 5. With your breathing. 4, 3, 2, and 1. And now we're going to do reverse. You go up first. Inhale and then out. 10. Up and out. 9. Up and out. 8, 7. With your breaths. 6. Feel the burn and fatigue on your hips. 4, 3, 2, and last 1, and down. Now let's go to the right side. Pull with your hands, lengthen, bend the bent knee to straight, and pump first to warm up more. 9, 8, 7, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1, and toes pointing you, and slowly let go a small circle. 10, 9, clockwise. 8, size of a small dish. 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1, and reverse. 10, 9, 8, 7, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1, and now medium size circle. Bend your knee for now and clockwise. Take a deep breath. So it's a little bit bigger circles, like a bigger dish. 9, 8, keep your hands on your hips. 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, and 1, and then reverse. Feel the burn on your quads. 9, 8, 7, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1, and now big circle. So you go down first, inhale, and exhale out to the side to top. Inhale, belly button in and blow. Inhale, exhale. 3, 4, 5, 6. Inhale, out and down. 7. With your breathing. 8, 9, last 1, and 10. Now reverse. Take a deep breath out. Inhale, exhale, belly button in, engage your core. Inhale. 7, going counting downwards. 6, up and out. 5, keeping your hips stable. 4, 3, 2, and last 1, and down. Hands overhead. We'll do bridging. Lift your buttocks off the mat this time, and then lift your hands pointing to the ceiling. Inhale, and then slowly go down 1 vertebrae at a time while you're slowly lifting your hands overhead and blow. Slowly go down 1 vertebrae at a time and lift. Squeeze your knees together, your buttocks and your stomach. Inhale, and then slowly go down 1 vertebrae at a time, bone to the mat, and then I'm overhead with your hand. Exhale. Inhale, lift. My hands pointing to the ceiling, and then slowly go down 1 vertebrae at a time and blow while I'm overhead with my hands. Inhale, up. Belly button in, and then down slowly. Exhale. 5 more. Inhale, up. Belly button in. Squeeze as hard as you can. Overhead and blow. You feel the burn now on your glutes and your quads. Inhale and slowly go down. Exhale. 2 more to go. Inhale. Belly button in and down, blow. Last 1. Inhale, belly button in, and slowly go down 1 vertebrae at a time and blow. Now single knees to stretch. Bend your knee to your chest. Lift the other leg up. Yesterday, we just keep it down for beginners. If you want to challenge yourself, 45-degree angle on the other side. Left hand on the knee, right hand on the inner part of your, and then you alternate. Then my left hand on my right medial ankle, my right hand on the top of my knee. Exhale. Inhale. Exhale. Belly button in and blow. Inhale and blow. Belly button in and blow. Lift your shoulders now to engage your core muscles more. Inhale. Exhale. Belly button in and blow. 5 more. 4, 3, 2, last 1, and then hug your knees, rock side to side and blow. And now we'll do scissoring. I know we did this yesterday. And we're going to challenge more by switching it quick. As you lower the left leg, you lift the right. And I showed yesterday, if it's still too difficult, you meet in the middle and then you lower. Inhale and then exhale. If you want to challenge, you can make it quicker now. And then you do a quick stretch. 1, 2, and switch. And blow. Inhale. And then always modify to place your foot on the mat for anyone who's beginner. To rest and then switch. But for those who want to challenge, you can follow along with me. Inhale, lift, exhale. Belly button in and blow. Inhale, exhale. Belly button in. 2 more. Inhale, exhale. Last one. And then up in the sky, pointing and pump. 10, 9, 8, 7, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. And now toes pointing away, hands behind your head and small circle. Inhale, exhale. Keep your core engaged. If this is still too difficult, you're just starting, this is day 3. Hold behind your thighs and support and blow. And now we'll do reverse. For those who want to challenge, place it behind your head. Inhale, exhale. Belly button in and blow. Feel the lower abdominal muscles working hard. 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. And from this position, separate your feet apart. Inhale, exhale. So V stretch. Belly button in, exhale. 7, 6, 5, 4, 3. And if this is difficult, place your hands and help it stretch out. 2. Last one and blow. Now lower your legs down. And that's it. I'm hoping you're feeling lovelier. Our 3rd day of our 30-day Pilates Discover Self-Healing. I'm slowly progressing. It looks the same like yesterday, but with modifications, a little bit more push before we progress to the next level. You might feel a little bit sore in your hips and your core muscles, but I'm slowly progressing you for our day 3 of our 30-day Pilates Discover Self-Healing. This is your first time, always remember, go to day 1 to safely progress for any beginners out there. But if you can try this is also fine. It's still safe because I showed some different modifications before you can challenge yourself. I know it looks the same like yesterday, but a little bit more challenges and strength training and style. Tomorrow will be day 4. It will be a little bit more challenging, but still not that hard. It's going to be a little bit different. We're going to add more exercises as we continue to progress. If you love this video and want to learn more about Pilates, yoga, physical therapy, health, and wellness, and you want to finish through with my 30-day workout challenge, please subscribe to my channel and ring the notification bell so you won't miss anything. You can follow me on my social media, and I will try my best to answer each one of you. If you have any questions, suggestions, or concerns, leave a comment down below and please like the channel. Thanks again for joining me. See you tomorrow. Always remember, be safe, be well, and healthier you. Bye!